Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a normal photo into a super creepy haunting doll animation using Pixverse. It's really easy, totally free to try, and the results look insane. So let's get started. First, just open Pixverse. You can either use the web versions or just download the app from the Play Store. And once you have got it open, just log in with your Google account. And it's super quick and easy. And don't worry, Pixverse actually give you free credits every single day, so you can generate without spending anything. Next, just go to template sections, this one, and then just search for haunting doll, this one. Just tap on it. This template is designed to give your photo that spooky horror doll vibes. It's perfect for Halloween or just for fun if you like creepy edits. Next, just tap on use templates and then just upload your photo. You can pick any portrait like a photo of yourself, a friend, or even a character that you like. And once you're done selected the photo and it's uploaded, just tap on create. This one, just tap on it. And then just go to mine and then wait for the process. And okay, like that, let's try to play the video. And okay, like this, just look at this. My normal photo is now turned from into a terrifying haunted doll animations like this. And the details are super spooky and the animations make it even more realistic. And okay, that's it. Super simple, right? Just a few clicks, you have got your own creepy doll animations that ready to share with friends or just post it online. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.